Latest on the transfer news, amathimba amaningi ayathenga ngabe yakhe team iyathenga na. So ngizoqala nje ngeindaba ebeyihamba phambili kule insuku lezi bafethu about i-team eyawina i-Betway Premiership last season okuyi-Orlando Pirates. So i-Orlando Pirates ke bafethu umdlalo wayo ku number 10 okuKabelo Dlamini, umjida ke bafethu bekuneyindaba ezisurrounda yena kuthiwa ke kungenzeka ayishiye i-Orlando Pirates kulona leli windi leli ngoba i-contract yakhe ibisizophela vele. Orlando Pirates ke izamile ukuthi ke imbandakanyise as i-deal ukuthi ke basayine umdlalo odlalela i-Steelers okuFaze Abrahams. Ke wenqaba ubani nawo Kabelo Dlamini ukuthi ke ahambe abe yiphasel ukuthi ke kusayinwe lo mfana lo umjida ukhalele kakhulu washo ukuthi ke yena ngokwakhe usengayilwela iposition yakhe kwisquad sakhe uAbdeslam Wadu abe umdlali ozoba unumber 10 wayo Orlando Pirates njoba nje sekhambe banina sekhambe Mfokeng because Mfokeng last season he was the main man player number 10 position with Toto Masongane. So yena ngokwakhe usengahlala kwiPirates ayilwele leya position. Uphuma kweindaba ke kuthiwa ke ubanina oKabelo Dlamini kuneminyaka u2 ediwe kwi-contract yakhe umjida usazoqhubeka nje ahlale ku-Orlando Pirates aqhubeke adlale ku-Orlando Pirates. I wish him an injury free njoba nje umjida ezoqhubeka ayidlalele Orlando Pirates because we need players like uKabelo Dlamini. Umjida uyakwazi ukudlala kulesa sisu bafethu, so next season I hope umjida uzobe nje injury free, uzobe mnandi. Kwezinye izindaba eziphumile bafethu, the former Kaizer Chiefs midfielder ubanina uNange umjida ke contract yakhe irenewile with iLeicester City. If nikhumbula kahle last season umjida wajoina as a free agent joina iLeicester City. Umjida usazoqhubeka ayidlalele le club le because bayikhuphulile contract yakhe, uzoqhubeka ayisize i-team ledlala ku-NFD kuMotsepe ku-ABC Motsepe League. Kwezinye izindaba eziphumile bafethu, ugoalkeeper ovimbela iKaizer Chiefs uNtwari bafethu siwa-ke uNtwari akekho ey'nhlweleni zani na kwiy'nhlelo zeKaizer Chiefs kule season lezo uqala. iKaizer Chiefs ibheka ama-options ukuthi ke umjida bamlone or umjida bamdayise. Singesazi ukuthi ke ngaba khona nama-team akhona la kwi-Betway Premiership asengamthenga uNtwari bafethu. If nikhumbula kahle wathengwa iKaizer Chiefs imthenga ku-TS Galaxy. Umjida ever since joining iKaizer Chiefs akaze athole ithuba lokuthi ke adlala ibonakalise as ugoalkeeper. Melithole ithuba akenzi kahle neze, so iKaizer Chiefs ibona kungcono ukuthi ke umjida imlone out or imdayise kuma teams akhona la ku-Betway Premiership noma ke kuma teams akhona la eAfrica. I know iKaizer Chiefs is a very very good team in terms of selling. They can sell each and every player ungamcabanga. They know how to sell players. So ugoalkeeper Ntwari is one of the goalkeepers abanayiko. iKaizer Chiefs currently ino goalkeeper abaningi kwi-Betway Premiership. I don't think ikhona team ino goalkeeper abaningi okudlula iKaizer Chiefs so far kwi-Betway. Mwasubabala nje goalkeeper I think ino goalkeeper boba 6 or 5 from no mistaken ngangitshela ama comments. So I'm sure akhona ama team la kwi-Betway Premiership angajabula kakhulu ukuthi ke amsayine uNtwari. I know iswelele bafethu, they are looking for players. I think umjida bangajabula ukuthi ke babe naye. Kwezinye izindaba eziphumile bafethu about i-South African winger ubani nawo Elias Mokwana who is currently playing for i-ES Tunis. Umjida he was loaned out by yona i-ES Tunis kodwa ke khona iclub esifikile yafuna ukumsayina umjida. Ifuna kahle kahle umsayina, ibizwa ngale club le ibiza ngeJS Cable. Ubukeka ngathi ke usazoqhubeka umjida aqhubeka adlale ibhola lakhe ngaphandle kwase-South Africa, adlalele wona lama club lawa ale ko-North Africa because umjida kubuya ngathi ke ayamthanda ama clubs ale, yabo. Ngijabulisa kakhulu ukuthi ke ubone abadlali bala eSouth Africa bedlala ibhola bedlala ngaphandle. Umjida uyi-winger right kakhulu. I hope to see him come back la eSouth Africa ezodlalela ama-team akhona la kwi-Betway Premiership. If you remember, he was linked with the Kaizer Chiefs before he went to Esperance. So umjida ke let's hope uzofika adlale kahle la eyakhona, and Esperance it looks like umjida besingasamsebenzisi last season, yabo, ingakho bemlone kakhulu. So let's hope ke le move le if yenzeka umjida uzofike akwazi ke adlale kahle, uHugo Broos aphinda ambize because if he was playing well for ES Tunis ngabe umjida ubiziwe khanjwe kuye ku-World Cup. Kwezinye izindaba eziphumile, iSikhukhune United siwelcome abadlali abathathu okuPhiri, uMahlangu noKhazim. Abajida ke bobathathu bazodlalela inina iSikhukhune United. On top of that I forgot to add ukuthi ke uDaniel Cardoso icontract yakhe irenewile. Umjida remember I did a video regarding yena ukuthi ke ngenzeka ayishiye inina iSikhukhune United adedelwe ingarenew icontract, but ke iSikhukhune United sibuyilile sathi cha kumele sirenew icontract yakhe because umjida is a very very good experienced defender, so icontract yakhe irenewile with iSikhukhune United. Usuthu lasel announcer ama signings wabo abawasayinile okubani okuShumari, mase kuthi ke lo amjida unumber 2 ngingalazi igama lakhe because igama lide. Ungangitshela ama comments ke lithini igama la lo mfo unumber 2 kuthiwa ke udlala esiswini. Boma sengilibize nje bafethu abantu abaningi bakangihleka, yabo. Ngibona uHomojo mase kuba uHappy Muralo mase kuba umcedi Vandala Mandela, mase kuba uMega Mdaka, mase kuba uPhillips, mase kuba umjida ke odlala le eIvory Coast okuba na umjida ugoalkeeper. Igama lakhe lomjida lo Khosawa ngimazi kakhulu but ke ugoalkeeper yabo. Sike abagcinanga lapho ukwelcome abadlali laba khona abadlali ababadedelile yabo. Announceile ukuthi ke badedele uRichard Ofori, uSiphephelo Majola, uBongani Zungu, uMason Moshore, uThabiso Kotumela noElmo Khambidu abajida kibona abadedeliwe abazoshiya amaZulu. Kwezinye izindaba eziphumile kwabafethu uBafana Mthethwa umjida he has signed with Stellies. He is their new signing for Stellenbosch. Remember I did a video regarding yena umjida. He is the new signing saso Stellies. Stellies ke naso siyabadinga abadlali enye yama team ededile abadlali abaningi kulona leli windi leli. So bayabadinga abadlali ukuthi ke bakwazi ke ba-add equality. Yena umjida ngokwami umjida uyiquality. I saw him playing for Richards Bay last season. It's a very shocking thing ukuyibona Richards Bay imdedela lo mjida lo because he was very good for yona Richards Bay. He played most of their games. And ama games amaningi Richards Bay wadlalile anzima. He was part of those games. Yabo, he was playing and he was starting those games. So it's a very shocking thing to see Richards Bay letting go of yena uBafana Mthethwa uthi ke ayojoina iStellies. iStellies ke sifuna ukurebuild around isisu because they have let go of their signing okubana okulomjida lo umthiyane phela currently uyojoina Orlando Pirates. Umthiyane bamdayisa bamthenga le kwiHungry Lions bemthenge ezo replace uSehlenduli. Nango ke futhi umthiyane sezothathwa yi-same Orlando Pirates futhi eyali. Kwezinye izindaba eziphumile the former Black Leopards captain ubani na uThendo Makumela umjida usejoine iKruger United. Umjida ke bafethu siyamazi kade wayidlala ibhola la South Africa. Yabo, it's a very shocking thing to see ukuthi ke umjida usadlala ibhola but ke izona indaba eziphumile ukuthi ke iKruger United have signed ubani na uThendo Makumela. Kwezinye izindaba eziphumile kwabafethu the Chippa United winger uGiovanni Philander umjida ke he has been spotted kwiDurban City. Umjida akakaziwe ukuthi ke currently umjida uyojoina yona iDurban City noma cha but ke he has been spotted training with iDurban City. Ingabe ke Chippa United efuna ukudayisa another player kuleli window asazi but ke iDurban City it looks like they want to create a strong squad because by Africa and they want players ukuthi ke bajwayele ukuthi ke bayodlala kuphi environment abayidlala baye kodlala noma ikuphi bayodlala iCAF Confed. iCAF Confed ibrutal ngempela yabo. Kwezinye izindaba eziphumile the former Mamelodi Sundowns wingback okuba nawo kuSifise Ngobeni umjida ke currently uyi-free agent and ke njengoba nje beyi-free agent iTS Galaxy kuthiwa ke isimsayinile as their newest signing kulona leli windi leli. iTS Galaxy sengamreveala noma yini umjida but ke uzosayinwa yini na iyona iTS Galaxy. If you remember last season umjida ubedlalela ini na ubedlalela iCape Town City. He was one of those players who was released by Cape Town City benongcobo yabo. So umjida currently he will play for iTS Galaxy. Kwezinye izindaba eziphumile ama-friendly matches azodlala kwiKaizer Chiefs njoba nje baya kwi-preseason bawodlala na bawodlala neRangers ngomhla 12 July, bawodlala ngeAl Khouloud ngomhla 15 mase bedlala neElche ngomhla 18 mase ukuthi ke badlale neScotland FC ngomhla 26 mase bebuya la eSouth Africa bawodlala neLufofane ngomhla ka2 August. Sokuthi ke Orlando Pirates iyodlala neCordoba, iyodlala neCadiz, iyodlala neAl-Ittihad, iyodlala neLas Palmas, iyodlala neNiyom yabo. Kwezinye izindaba eziphumile uTwarolo Bereng umjida ke currently uyi-free agent ubedlalela ini na ubedlalela iHungry Lions. Umjida he joined ngoJanuary after leaving iUppington City but ke currently he is a free agent. He is currently looking for a team azoyidlalela umjida.